Hi, and welcome to Deal Score Pro's CIM Analyzer. This is looking at confidential information memorandums and getting an instant result out of it and analyzing that CIM without you having to figure out all of the details in there. So all you do is you come down and you drag and drop. I already dropped one in here for this yard company. Current sale price is $2.2 million. You need to add that in just so it knows where your starting point is. Could either be the listing price or your purchase anticipated price. Going to analyze the CIM. And it's going to take about 15 to 30 seconds in order to break this down. And here we are on the breakout page where it analyzes everything here. The first thing you may notice is it's telling you, okay, this is worth investigating because it may be a good deal. They're not all going to be that way. Some will show yes, bulletproof, go for it. Others will have pass. And then this one is investigate. So you'll have red, yellow, and green. It's giving an idea about strong revenue growth from where it was, high industry standards on profit margin, its current asking price, what it might include in locations, and any other information that might be listed in the CIM itself. The annual revenue on this deal is 1.8 million, pulled it right from the CIM. The EBITDA, their seller's discretionary earnings, is 709,000. Asking price is 2.2 million. It gives you the breakout from year over year over year. So it's doing a little bit better year over year. It's on the right kind of track moving upward. It has $706,000 in depreciation, which could be a red flag. That's why that's over there like that. Officer owner salary is a little bit low. It's 79,000. So you might want to look at that. And it gives you ideas for the premium and fair market rent adjustment because they're paying rent for their location and how much they're paying on loans. So now let's take a look at the 5 bulletproof scores that you have on every single deal. Debt coverage ratio is 2.6. That's pretty good. Bank looks for 1.25. The owner cash flow at the end of the year is 436,000. And you want really about 100,000 or more. If you don't want to have it as a hobby, you can. It's just up to you. That's just our metric we built in. The stress test, which is really important. Could this business survive a 20% reduction in sales or revenues in one quarter without you having to dip in your back pocket? And it still comes in at 2.08, so that's pretty good. The purchase price is a little bit higher than normal for this type of business, and it only has maybe 2 months of working capital. You really want to try to get 3 or more, but that's up to you. It also breaks down some red flags for you: single owner dependency, excessive depreciation, seasonal revenue volatility, real estate's not included, and also gives you a breakdown on some potential due diligence questions that you should ask the owner, such as what are the lease terms, and can they provide some customer concentration showing the top 5 customers, and how is that depreciation actually calculated, and what's the transition plan from the owner to you as a new owner. And when you want to come in and just look at another deal, it's really easy. Just come back up to CIM Analyzer, click on it, it refreshes the page, and you can come in and repaste your information and start again. So good luck with that. You should always look at every CIM that you see, pop it in here into the CIM Analyzer, get a quick breakdown, understand what you're looking at without having to try to figure it out all on your own.